This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for May 11th, 2018. Corn market on the day Friday down 5 to 5.5. Soybeans down 16 3/4 to 18 cents. Chicago wheat down 6 to 7 3/4. Kansas City down 3 to 4.5. Minneapolis down 9. On the week, corn market down 9 cents. Beans down 32.5. Chicago wheat down 38, Kansas City down 34, Minneapolis down 14.5. So here's the question, what went on today? Friday we look at the news and you've got some China negotiations going on behind the scenes. You've got NAFTA going on that they're going to push off on a decision until Monday, maybe Tuesday. You've got managed money that are sitting on a lofty long, and all of a sudden we see kind of a buy the rumor, sell the fact out of the crop report. The crop report on the onset was a little bit bullish. The numbers were in line or above or below expectations for corn and soybeans, a little bit above expectations on the wheat, but at the end of the day, the carryouts for the new crop are getting a little tighter, and that's going to keep the market's attention. Why break then immediately? The funds are long. We're just a little bit of an exhausted market right now, get a setback. We look for support between this 388 to 395 July corn, around this 995 area, and beans for November beans. Wheat market down around this $4.95 to $5 area, and we think that's an area we'll rally out of once again. I think this is going to be a dynamic summer. Don't read into this too much, but you got to keep marketing, in our opinion, along the way. We've been moving on our seasonals, got some great base foundation of marketing here, and I really think that's the key. But now as we get these pullbacks, we want to look to some reownerships. Details I cannot give you on this audio, but give us a call for details, 800-648-5494. Feeder cattle on the day, you're looking at down 5 to down 27.5. Live cattle up 10 to 22.5. Hog market down 95 to 222.5. On the week, feeders down 197.5, lives up 157.5, and the hog market 177.5. So you're really looking at circumstances here where a little more mixed. We're waiting on cash on the immediate. We have seen some 120 to 121 live for further out sales or forward sales, some dressed at 192, but spot market not trading too much. Packers are holding out, and we'll see if we get something here this week. Hog market, long term, we're looking at resistance here around this $80 mark. Hogs can break down, challenge some new lows as we work ahead, so that's a weaker tone. As we set up for next week, we look for the markets to kind of bottom out early in the week and begin to build some strength as we work into the middle to latter part of next week. Rain focused is going to be one of the key, and Mother Nature will set the direction. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend.